everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing world of patterns in nature. From spiral to chaos, nature has a way of organizing itself that is both beautiful and fascinating. So let's explore these incredible patterns together.
First up, we have a spiral. A spiral is a curve that starts from a central point and moves farther away as it revolves around the point. And one of the famous examples is a sunflower.
A sunflower seed arrangement exhibits a spiral pattern that follows the Fibonacci sequence, also known as pilotaxis. This pattern, visible as spiral on the flower face, demonstrates how seeds are arranged in a way that maximizes space and efficiency.
Next, let's talk about waves. Waves are disturbances that transfer energy through space and time. In nature, we see waves in the ocean, where they create rhythmic patterns as they crash into the shore.
But waves aren't just limited to water. They can also be found in sound and light. The gentle undulation of a field of wet in the wind is another beautiful example of wave patterns in nature.
Now, let's explore fractals. Fractals is a complex pattern that is self-similar across the different scales. This means if you zoom in on the fractals, you see a similar pattern repeating. For example,
take a look at snowflakes. No two are alike, but they all exhibit fractal-like symmetry. Ferns leaves also display this pattern with smaller leaflets resembling the whole leaf. And of course, the famous Mandelbrot set is a mathematical representation of fractals that showcase this concept beautifully.
Moving on, symmetry. Symmetry is when an object mirrors on the other is prevalent in nature. For example, the wings of the butterfly, the petals of the flowers. Human faces also have exhibit bilateral symmetry, which is associated with beauty.
Symmetry creates balance and harmony, making it a fundamental aspect of design in nature.
Let's talk about chaos. Chaos refers to a complex system that are highly sensitive to initial conditions, leading to unpredictable outcomes.
Think of a storm. While we can predict the general weather patterns, the exact path of a storm can be chaotic and difficult to forecast. Nature chaos can be both beautiful and terrifying, reminding us of its power.
Finally, we have dendritic patterns. These are tree-like structures that branch out in a way that resembles the veins of the leaves and the network of rivers.
Dendritic patterns are efficient and can be found in various natural systems, from the branching of trees to the way rivers carve through landscapes. They illustrate how nature optimizes resources and pathways.
There you have it, from spiral to chaos, nature is full of incredible patterns that not only captivate our eyes, but inspire art, science, and design. So when you're out in nature, don't forget to observe these patterns and appreciate the beauty around you. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite patterns and comment down below. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the mesmerizing So from spiral to chaos, mesmerizing world of patterns in nature. From chaos and not from spiral of our channel. Today we're diving into the different
Let's talk about chaos. Chaos refers to Let's talk about chaos. Chaos is a systematized body of knowledge that is to unpredictable outcomes. Wala ko tama rin.
They create a rhythmic pattern as they crash into the shore. Ay, salam. Pagkatuloy
Self-similar.
Symmetry is when others where an object bilateral symmetry, which also a social set of associated. Finally,
Wala pa. Pinig mo, ana na rin ko. There you have it. A spiral chaos. Nature is full of incredible nature. Incredible nature.